Peter Som's style is renowned for its balanced proportions rendered contemporary by a mix that brings back bon ton spiked with uptown cool. Now imagine Cindy Sherman's film still series, but heightened with a touch of quirk. Now Peter Som has perfected the New York style with a twist of purposeful nonchalance. Let's have a look at Peter Som Fall/Winter 2011 collection right here on Runway TV. Peter Som's aesthetic of bold sophistication and eclectic elegance has brought a fresh point of view to the fashion world. Known for his signature bold prints, he finds beauty in the elegance and the odd. Peter graduated cum laude in art history from Connecticut College in 1993 and continued his studies at Parsons School of Design, where he was a recipient of the Isaac Mizrahi Gold Thimble Award. While at Parsons, he apprenticed with two of America's most revered designers, Michael Kors and Calvin Klein. After graduating, Peter honed his skills in the design room of the legendary Bill Blass. Peter Som served as creative director of women's wear for Bill Blass. Currently, Peter consults for Tommy Hilfiger, designing the runway clothing and accessories. Peter's clothes continue to win accolades from buyers and critics alike and are regularly featured in all major fashion publications globally, including Vogue, W, Elle, Harper's Bazaar, and InStyle. A new generation of stylish celebrities and starlets have embraced Peter's collection, among them Scarlett Johansson, Claire Danes, Camilla Bell, Mandy Moore, Maggie Gyllenhaal. Boldly feminine, quirky yet classic style. Peter has established himself as a singularly original voice in the world of fashion. Let's have a look at Peter Som Fall/Winter 2011 collection right here on Runway TV. Hi guys, so we're here backstage with the designer Peter Somm. Congratulations on a wonderful show.
Thank you so much.
So tell us a little bit about the inspiration for this show.
Well, I really was thinking about actually clothes my friends wanted to wear. And, you know, they're active women. I wanted to give them sportswear that was easy, effortless, but still kind of had a sense of fun to them.
Absolutely. It was so chic. It was so beautiful. But you know my favorite part? The shoes. Tell me about the shoes. They're so much fun.
Well, I collaborated again with Charlotte Olympia, and amazing shoe designer and super chic herself. And I think the idea of taking the shoe down to a lower heel and giving it that pop of color is, it was really fun. Shoes are the exclamation point on an outfit. So.
Yeah, I love it. And then my favorite piece is the metallic pants. When she was walking down, I was like, oh, I want that. Peter Somm all day, every day.
Perfect. I love it.
And effortless, with a touch of the unexpected. That is very Peter Somm, wouldn't you say? Well, you'll be seeing more of Peter Somm next season right here on Runway TV.